dilute mode, choose whole blood, click Close. Click Analysis mode. Choose the whole blood and analysis mode. Click Eject Analyzer Auto, put out the detection box. Prepare whole blood, CBC kits, consumables. Pick up the whole blood sample and mix it thoroughly. Open the outer packaging of the reagent kit. Be careful not to touch the detection electrodes. Prepare the pipette, adjust to 200 ohm, install the pipette tip. Prepare the blood sample to be tested. Then draw 200 ohm. Direct inject it into the whole blood test position. Remove the pipette tip and clean it. Take out a tip head. Place into the reagent kit. Place the reagent kit into the detection box. Operate according to the animation demonstration. Finally, click OK to start the test. After a few minutes, the test will be complete.